Ever wanted your text in Canva to stand out a little more? Maybe make it longer, bolder, or stretched across your design just right? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stretch text in Canva and give your design that extra creative touch. Start by opening Canva and navigating to the design project you're working on. Once your project is open, find the text element you want to modify. This could be a headline, a title, or any piece of text in your layout. Next, click on the text box you want to stretch. You'll notice a bounding box appear around the text. This is Canva's way of telling you that the element is now selected and ready for editing. With the text box active, look closely at the handles around the edges. You'll see small circles at each corner and halfway along each side. These side handles are the key to stretching your text. Now, click and drag one of the center handles on either the left or right edge of the box. As you drag outward, you'll see your text begin to stretch horizontally across the canvas. If you drag inward, it'll compress. This gives you precise control over the width and spacing of your text, perfect for fitting titles neatly or achieving a specific stretch look. Be mindful not to overdo it though. Stretching too far can distort the letters, so experiment until you find the balance that looks best for your design. Once you're happy with how your text looks, you can also use Canva's additional tools like adjusting font size, letter spacing, or line height to refine it even further. These small tweaks can make your stretched text look clean and professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to stretch text in Canva. It's a quick and simple way to add emphasis, balance your layout, and make your designs more dynamic. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Canva tips, and drop a comment below sharing what kind of project you're designing today. Thanks for watching and happy designing.